Hi NEET aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Now we are talking about a genetically engineered insulin. Genetically engineered insulin. Okay. So you know that insulin is very important product. You know that insulin is a very important product. Why? Because it is a treatment of diabetes. Okay. The insulin. In regarding to the population, you have need the insulin for diabetic patient. Okay, it's not enough now, not enough. So what will do the scientist? It taken from the enna pannalam, what are you doing? Then we are taken from the animals, pigs and slaughtered cattle likewise. Okay, cattle idhula enna nenichiranga edukranga. Okay, but normally edukumbodhu idu enna agudhu appadina it how it is possible to that for the human it is taken edukku human kaga edukranga, they are taken for the human அப்படிங்கறாங்க. But it is some allergic symptoms, it is some immune response. So then the scientist what will do that taken. Okay, first இத பார்க்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி the insulin na enna அப்படினு பாத்துறோம். The insulin, it is have the two type of chains. Okay, two type of chains. Insulin have the two type of chain A and chain B. Chain A and chain B likewise. Okay, so these are mature insulin. Okay, mature insulin. Okay, so this mature insulin, it's cure the diabetes we know. Okay, then அப்போ ப்ராடக்ட் என்ன செய்யணும், நம்ம பெருக்கணும், இதை பெருக்கணும், இன்சுலின் என்ன செய்யணும், பெருக்கணும். வாட் வில் டூ? ஓகே, தென் இட் ஹேஸ் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஃபார் த சி பெப்டைட் செயின். Okay, C peptide chain. So this C peptide chain is have only a pro-insulin. The pro-insulin. Okay, it is only a pro-insulin. Okay, then we need a pro-enzymes. Okay, pro-enzymes and pro-insulins there in C, but we need not to the C peptides. Okay, then in the year 1983 the American company, the E. Lilly company, it take action regarding to the production of insulin. Okay, so we can use the vector. We can use the vector for E. coli bacterium. Okay, so the chain A and chain B are introduced into the E. coli vector and multiplied. They are synthesis chain A and chain B alone. Why? We need not to C. Okay, then these chain A and chain B are attached, or it's linked with a disulfur bond. It is attached a disulfur bond. Okay, disulfur bonding. Okay, then they form. So you know that. Okay, this is a chain C, is a A and B. So the A and B is attached with that disulfur bonding. So it's need not to that. It's immature. It's a pro-enzyme or pro-insulin. Okay, but they are produced for A chain and B chain. Then they are linked with a disulfur bonding. SS bonding. Okay, SS bonding likewise. So they produce a hemoline. They called as a hemoline. Hemoline. Okay, it is the insulin of the insulin of diabetic patients. Okay, thank you.